Hey there, have you ever wondered how the apps on your phone, your favorite video games, or even this platform you're watching me on are created? Well, the magic behind all of it is coding. And here's the best part, not only is coding super creative and innovative, but it can also help you make money, and lots of it. Stick around, because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how coding works, why it's so valuable, and how you can turn it into an income stream. So, what is coding exactly? At its core, coding is like giving instructions to a computer or program so that it does what you want it to do. Think of it like writing a recipe, but instead of telling a chef how to cook a meal, you're telling a computer how to run an app, load a website, or play a game. Coding is the language that bridges your ideas with the digital world. It's what makes your vision come alive on the screen. Whether it's designing a website that people visit every day, building powerful software that helps businesses run, or creating that fun game you can't stop playing, coding is the behind-the-scenes tool that powers it all. Without code, none of these digital experiences would exist. Coding languages, the tools of the trade. Just like you can write in different human languages, like English, Spanish, or Urdu, coding has its own set of languages. Each coding language has its strengths and is used for different types of projects. Python. It's easy to learn, very popular for beginners, and super powerful. People use Python for things like data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and even building apps. JavaScript. This is the language that makes websites interactive. Every time you click a button, fill out a form, or see an animation on a website, that's JavaScript working behind the scenes. HTML and CSS. These are the building blocks of web pages. HTML gives structure, like headings, paragraphs, and links. CSS makes it look good, colors, fonts, layouts. Other languages like Java, C++, and Swift are also widely used depending on what you want to build. Mobile apps, video games, or large-scale systems. Why coding matters so much? Today we live in a digital world. Think about it. The app you use to chat with friends, the online store where you shop, the streaming service where you watch your favorite shows, all of it exists because of code. Coders are the architects and builders of this digital age. And here's the exciting part. The demand for coders is massive, and it's only growing. As technology advances, businesses, startups, and even non-tech companies need people who can build, maintain, and improve digital products. In fact, coding skills are becoming valuable even in jobs that aren't directly related to technology. How can you make money from coding? Okay, now let's get to what you really want to know. How do you actually earn money by coding? The good news is, there are lots of ways, and you don't even need a degree or expensive education to start. Freelancing. You can work on your own, take on projects from clients, and get paid for solving their problems. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptal are full of businesses looking for help with apps, websites, or software fixes. The best part? You can work from anywhere and choose the projects that interest you. Building and selling apps or games. Have a cool idea? Turn it into an app or a game. You can make money through ads, in-app purchases, or one-time downloads. Plenty of solo developers have built simple apps that bring in steady income, working for a tech company. From small startups with big dreams to giants like Google, Microsoft, or Amazon, companies are always hiring coders. You could be part of a team creating world-changing technology and earn a stable, good salary with benefits. Teaching coding. Got a knack for explaining things? Share your knowledge, start a YouTube channel, create online courses on Udemy, or offer private lessons. Coding education is in huge demand, and people are eager to learn. Starting a SaaS business. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. This means building a digital tool that people or businesses pay to use every month. Think of tools that help with things like budgeting, scheduling, or project management. It takes time and effort, but if you solve a real problem, it can be very profitable. Where can you learn without breaking the bank? You might be wondering, do I need to spend thousands of dollars to learn coding? The answer is no. Free Code Camp, an amazing platform with full coding courses for free. Codecademy, offers free and paid options with interactive coding lessons. YouTube. There are thousands of free tutorials to get you started with almost any language or project type. CS50 by Harvard, free on edX. If you want to challenge yourself, this is one of the most respected beginner computer science courses. Your next step. So, if you've been thinking about learning coding, now is the perfect time to start. Don't overthink it. Pick a language, try a free course, and just start experimenting. Who knows? A year from now, you could be building the next hit app, teaching thousands of people, or landing your dream tech job. Hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which coding path are you most excited about? Are you aiming to build apps, freelance, or start your own company? I'd love to hear your thoughts, and maybe even give you some personalized advice. See you next time, and happy coding!